What's good, YouTube? So I'm filling these expansion cracks in my garage. So I'm using this product called Crack Stick and a butane torch to fill these wide expansion gaps. So this is a product that I'm using, Crack Stick. Comes in a 100-foot bucket. And I like to work with short spaces because just in case a fire occurs, because you're dealing with, flames. I don't want to set my garage on fire. So, that's it. So, yeah, so this crack stick, it forms a pretty good bond to the concrete and makes it a watertight seal so that water can't get in between these joints. So that's it. Peace. Crack stick. And I got it from Home Depot. I had to order it and then pick it up. Peace.